Have you ever wondered how cloud computing works? Well, let's dive into this intriguing world. In its essence, cloud computing is about the on-demand availability of computer system resources. This includes data storage and computing power that you can access when needed without having to manage it actively. Picture a vast, interconnected network of data centers, each housing a part of the whole. These centers make up the cloud, a term you've likely heard before. This vast cloud distributes functions and resources across multiple locations, providing a seamless experience for the users. And here's the real game changer, the pay-as-you-go model. Much like your utilities, you only pay for what you use. This approach can significantly reduce capital expenses, allowing businesses and individuals alike to operate more efficiently. Cloud computing is a fascinating concept that has revolutionized how we use and store data. But what makes cloud computing so unique? Well, stay tuned as we unravel this digital phenomenon in the upcoming scenes. The first essential characteristic of cloud computing is on-demand self-service. Imagine having the power to tap into vast computing resources as and when you need them, without the need for human intervention. This is exactly what on-demand self-service in cloud computing offers. You can provision computing capabilities like server time or network storage all by yourself whenever required. It's like having a supercomputer at your fingertips ready to serve at your command. This means you can access and use services whenever you need them. The second distinctive feature of cloud computing is broad network access. This means that the capabilities of the cloud aren't limited to a single device or location. They're available over the network and can be accessed through standard mechanisms. This flexibility promotes use by a variety of devices, including mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and workstations. So no matter what device you're using, whether it's your smartphone while you're on the move or your laptop at home, the cloud is always within reach. So whether you're on your phone, your laptop, or your tablet, you can access the cloud. The third characteristic is resource pooling. Imagine a large pool filled with computing resources. Now picture multiple users, each with their own unique needs, diving into this pool to grab what they require. In cloud computing, this is exactly what happens. Providers pool together vast amounts of computing resources to serve a multitude of consumers. This pooling goes beyond a simple one-size-fits-all concept. Each user doesn't get the same chunk of resources. Instead, they're given access to a multi-tenant model. This means they share the same physical resources, but each tenant's data and configuration remains isolated from the others. What's more, these resources aren't fixed. They are dynamically assigned and reassigned according to the ever-changing demands of the consumers. One moment, a user might need more storage space, and the next, they might need extra computing power. The cloud can adjust accordingly in real time. This means that resources are efficiently used and allocated based on demand. The final two characteristics of cloud computing are rapid elasticity and measured service. Now imagine a rubber band. Stretch it, and it extends. Let go, and it snaps back. This is how rapid elasticity in cloud computing works. Capabilities can be provisioned and released, sometimes even automatically, to scale rapidly outward and inward in tandem with demand. This means that the services you consume can expand or contract almost instantaneously to match your needs, giving the illusion of unlimited resources. On the other hand, measured service is like your utility meter at home. Cloud systems automatically control and optimize resource use by leveraging a metering capability. This might be based on storage, processing, bandwidth, or active user accounts. Consequently, resource usage can be monitored, controlled, and reported, providing transparency for both the provider and consumer of the utilized service. These characteristics ensure that you only pay for what you use and that services can adapt to your needs. To sum up, cloud computing is a game changer in the world of technology. It's a versatile tool that offers 5 essential characteristics. First, on-demand self-service allows users to access computing capabilities like server time and network storage as needed without any human interaction. Second, cloud computing ensures broad network access, meaning that its capabilities can be accessed over the network using various devices, such as mobile phones, tablets, and laptops. Third, it offers resource pooling, where the provider's computing resources are pooled to serve multiple consumers using a multi-tenant model. Fourth, it provides rapid elasticity, meaning capabilities can be provisioned and released quickly to scale with demand. Finally, its measured service ensures that resource usage is monitored, controlled, and reported, offering transparency for both the provider and consumer. These characteristics make cloud computing a flexible, efficient, and cost-effective solution for data storage and computing power. So the next time you save a file to the cloud, remember the intricate system working behind the scenes to make it all possible.